Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can delete a card of your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to game library, you're gonna find the list that includes all of the games and applications installed on your device. Right here, as you can see guys in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, and here in the right, you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, in order to be able to delete a card of your PlayStation 5, firstly, go to PlayStation Store, and then once you're here in the PlayStation Store, as you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find recent releases, collections, sales, subscriptions, and browse. Here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find search, wishlist, and right here, you're gonna find your cards. And here, you're gonna find some more options. If you click right here, you're gonna find payment method, redeem a code, subscriptions, transaction history. Right here, you're gonna find the payment settings. So right now, go ahead and click on payment method. And then right here, you're gonna find a list that includes all of your payment methods, and you can remove any payment method that you want from this place. So right now, as you can see guys, I still don't have a payment method. That's why I have this option to add a new payment method. So once you remove your payment method, you can add another one. You can either add your PayPal, you can pay using your mobile device, or you can just add your credit or debit card. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.